He's saying, why don't you shred stuff? Shred whatever you have. Shred what's in your desk. Just shred everything. And I'm going, what's going on? He's saying, you're going to take the fall for this because it's a Ponzi scheme. It's a Ponzi scheme. And you're the one, you're going down because you're the CFO. And I'm, I mean, they gave Bernie Madoff 200 years, honey. What do you think they're going to do to me? What do you think they're going to do? And what's going to happen with the kids? What's going to happen? Howie's afraid, Dad, you missed the game. I'm going to miss 38 seasons. Sweetheart, I'm in trouble.
Calm down.
Okay.
You need to get a lawyer. And you need to go to your mom's and go find your mom's Valium.
Get a Valium of my mom's purse.
Okay, can you do that? Like right now.
Okay.
You need to calm down. It's gonna be okay.
Yeah, it will be. It will be. Minimum security. It's not that bad.
Hey, Medea! Hey, Lorraine, how you doing? Good to see you. Lord, it's a zoo up there on First and Month. You won't take this outfit I take back. I don't thank you so much. It's crazy up there. Be careful. They ain't taking that EBT card. They stopped taking that. I got to go somewhere else to take that. Yeah, I got to go burn up my EBT.